Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. Another project. This time it's mounting my DJI Mavic drone on a camera dolly. The purpose of the exercise is to walk around the large scale remote control model, in this case a horse and chariot, to walk around the model filming it as I go. For this I built a camera dolly and I mounted the drone to it using an iPad mini to see what I'm filming. I fired up the drone on the dolly, positioned it so that the object was filling the screen, and then proceeded to walk around it, trying to be as careful as I could. But I guess this is going to be something that comes with practice. So here's the view from the camera on the Mavic. The Mavic Pro is a brilliant camera and gimbal, and I'm utilising the stabilisation. The first surprise was how close I could get to the object to fill the screen. So here I am positioning the shot, and then I would proceed to walk around it. Realising that I could sort a few things out in edit, but I needed the object to be captured within the screen at all times. You see me backing off a touch here to reconfigure the position. So this is an alternative method of filming around an object using a 4K camera and stabilised gimbal. I'm very pleased with this first run out. As you may know, I have a large turntable, so I can rotate the object in front of the camera, and this alternative is to give me yet more flexibility and power to my elbow. Thanks for joining me on this test run. This is raw footage, no real editing. Thanks for joining me. Join me again soon.